Hi, I am Magdi. Welcome to my kitchen. I promise I will show you my peach cake. So this is the time when I will. Because I had blueberries at home too, so I will mix both together and then you will see the results. It's delicious. It's worth to make it. So it's drained. I will put separately here and then I show you all the steps. I like to prepare my pan, so I just put it away, and then I need 3 eggs, 8 pinch of salt, because every baking requires a little salt because that brings out the flavor. So then I can add the sugar, 3/4 cup sugar, mix. Then I sweet my flour, so I can add the flour. And 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Mix, mix. And I have to add lemon zest because this gives you a good flavor too. And 1 pack of vanilla sugar, and if you don't have vanilla sugar at home, then a tablespoon of vanilla. Okay. And 1 stick of slightly melted butter. And if this gets too thick, then you add the sauce of the peaches or the liquid of the peaches. This was the vanilla sugar. This is it, nothing else you need to. I am adding a little bit. Just make it a little bit softer. And top of that has a good flavor too. Like a creamy, not too hard, a little bit softer dough. This is it. And then I just have to put it in the pan. I can add it's easier. Okay. Okay. And then I make a flatten the mixture. If you like it to a little bit thicker, higher, then you can use the 9 by 9, but somehow I like this measurement. Easy is that. And now I just have to place the peaches any way I want to, because I feel myself is not easy to make close-ups. Okay. Here, they didn't cut it nice, but that's okay. Happen with all of us. I kind of, we're not wasting anything, so we put the little ones in too. Okay, now I can add the blueberries. Same way. And you can make it with just with peaches. You can make it with blueberries too. That's what I showed on my Facebook before, and that I was asked to give the recipe. This way you get the recipe and you get the look at how I make it. And it's delicious and not too sweet, so if you don't eat too much sugar, it's really not too much sugar, just 3¼ cups of sugar. It's already getting look pretty for picture, and it's a lot of fruits, so it's a good little dessert. And as you can see, it wasn't hard to make. And you just have to bake it. So basically, my oven is on 350. I will bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. And we will see how that turns out. I show you. And maybe I try to take a closer picture too for you, or video. And then you can use. Then I had like a smaller box of blueberries, because I have that at home. Then I can mix it together, and I made this before and tastes delicious together. 1/4 cups of flour, 3/4 cups of sugar, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 lemon zest, and 1 stick of butter, melted, slightly melted, and then 1 pack of vanilla sugar, or if you don't have, then the liquid vanilla, 1 tablespoon. Easy and nice dessert, and you have to bake it on 350 or 355, depends on your oven, for 25 to 30 minutes. Baking time depends on your oven. So if you see it's not baked enough, then you will add 5 more minutes or whatever you need. I like my cake like more flat, like not too high, not too thick. So that's why I bake it in this one. But if you like to try this way, and then if you like to try the 9 by 9, and then you make up your mind which one you like better. But I like this one size of the pan better than the 9 by 9. This goes to the oven, that's how it looks. When I put pictures on my Facebook, sometimes I just showing you the ideas what you can make. So you were complaining I didn't give this recipe. So the recipe is here because I had time, or I feel like to make this cake. So here is the recipe, and you have the video too, so you can make it right now or anytime you want to. This was like in my oven 30 minutes, but I touching it and it's a little bit soft. I put it back for 3 more minutes. I wait until it cools, then maybe I can cut it up and make a nice presentation for you guys. And I am telling you, this cake is delicious and it's not too sweet. Few friends stopped by, so half of it is gone already. And it's delicious. You should try it.